Okay, fam, we're at CVS. I see you when I get inside. Guys, I'm gonna take advantage of the 10 off 25 deal of personal care. So I need some razors. So I'm gonna get one of these for $6.99. I have a 3 off 1 digital. That's gonna be $3.99, but I'm gonna get that $3 extra buck back. And this is gonna be a part of my 10 off 25 personal care deal. Anytime you want to build up your extra bucks, go for the best deal. So even though I don't need any of these eyeliners, and I donate them of course, but I have some digital coupons. I got a $2 off 1 digital for that one, $2 off 1 digital for that one, and I'm gonna do this deal. Focus, focus, focus. There you go. When you buy 3 CoverGirl, you'll get a $10 extra buck. So I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna get 2 of these. They $5.79, and I'm gonna get a lip because I got a $1 off 1 digital. That's gonna be $6.59. So that's my 3, and I'm gonna get a $10 extra buck back off of that one, $3 extra buck back off of that one. So I got my list with me too. Here's my list, and I'm gonna do the Colgate toothpaste for $3.99. When you buy 2, you get a $3 extra buck. I got a 4 off 2 digital. That's gonna come off. My first transaction is gonna be that with the Colgate, and I'm gonna pay $4.34 out of pocket, but I'm gonna get back $16 in extra bucks. Okay, fam, I had to do some recalculation. It's gonna be a change of plans because my digital is not attaching to that Colgate toothpaste. So I'm gonna get the Venus razor, $6.99. I got a $3 off 1 digital. I'm gonna do the the CoverGirl deal. Buy 3, get a $10 extra buck. I got a $2 off 1 here, $2 off 1 here, $1 off 1 here. They're gonna take $10 off. That's gonna leave me to pay $7.56. I got $7 in extra bucks that I'm gonna roll into this transaction, and I'm gonna come out of pocket 56 cents, fam. 56 cents, which I'm gonna donate that, but I'm gonna keep those right there, and I'm gonna get back $3 here and $10 here. So this is gonna be free plus a huge money maker. So I can roll that into my next transaction. Okay, fam, I'm gonna do this. This is gonna be my next transaction. It says when you buy 2 participating Scope or Crest Rinse mouthwash, you'll get a $5 extra buck back. So I'm gonna get 2 of these. They're $4.99. I have a 2 off 6 CRT, and I have a $1 off 1 digital, which gonna leave a balance of $6.98 out of pocket. But I'm gonna get back that $5 extra buck, which makes those 2 mouthwash $1 a piece. Okay, fam, on my next, the $10 extra buck that I get from here, it's gonna be free. I'm gonna roll it to this, and I'm gonna show you the deal. CVS still got the 2 for $10 on the Tide Pods. I got 2 of them. I'm gonna roll that $10 extra buck, so this is gonna be completely free. So let's check out. Okay, fam, I done made it home. CVS deal had a little hiccup because my $2 digital didn't come off of here. My $2 digital didn't come off of there. Only digital came off was the $1 one off of this. But my $3 digital did come off of here. My $1 digital came off of this one. Then my 2 off 6 CRT came off of this one. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. You see the $1 off 1 Crest came off. The $3 off Venus razor came off. The $1 off the CoverGirl came off. My other $2 digitals didn't come off, so I'm going to have to call CVS. My 10 off 25 purchase came off. My 2 off 6 oral care came off. And I had $7 in extra bucks that I already told you that I was starting with. So that's the 4 and the 3. The 2% cash back. Yeah, okay. And I had a 10% off purchase, which was 12 cents that came off. So that brought my subtotal to $10.56 out of pocket, which is supposed to be $6.56 out of pocket. But I did get back my extra bucks, $18 in extra bucks. So this was completely free, plus a money maker. So let's look at my next transaction. Okay, here's my next transaction that I rolled the $18 in extra buck into this. The Tide is 2 for $10. I had to get me some of that and some of that. So I didn't get any extra bucks back on here, but I needed this. So anytime, like I tell you, anytime that you need something and you don't have no extra bucks or enough extra bucks, find something that will give you a large amount of extra bucks with little out of pocket to roll and to get the stuff that you actually need. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. I had a 50-cent off for Tide Pods. There's the $3 extra buck, the $10 extra buck, and the $5 extra buck. I paid $2.48 out of pocket for all of this. So that's a really good deal. That's a really good deal. So fam, for all of this, with my cash out of pocket and the extra bucks that I got back, this was completely free plus an $8.96 moneymaker. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. Look at this. Free. Y'all better hit CVS up this week with that 10 off 25 and do you some deals. Give me a thumbs up, fam. Thumbs up. Have a blessed Sunday. Bye-bye.